Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to yet another video. Today we'll be looking at the YearFrac function in Excel. So let's get started. YearFrac calculates the fraction of a year represented by the number of days between two dates. It is typically used in finance to calculate portion of an interest period. The formula contains three arguments: start date, end date, and basis, out of which basis is optional. In this example, I have the start and end dates, and to calculate the difference, I have used the days and the days 360 functions. We have 5 rows to calculate all the 5 different options of the basis argument. The first basis option is the US basis, for which you need to enter the value 0 or skip the argument altogether. Similarly, let's fill in all the other remaining rows using the different basis values. To understand this function clearly, let's recalculate all of these values manually. In the first option, the difference between the two dates calculated using days 360 US function has to be divided by 360. In the second option, the actual difference between the two dates calculated using the days function has to be divided by the actual number of days in the year, which is 366 in case of year 2020, considering that it is a leap year. In the third option, we need to calculate the actual difference between the two dates using the days function and divide that by 360. The fourth one is similar to the third one, but we have to divide the actual difference between the dates by 365 in this case. The fifth one is similar to the US option, but the only difference is that you need to calculate the difference between the two dates using the days 360 European option. And as you know, in the European method, if the start or the end date is 31st, it is calculated as 30th of the same month. Hence, we get the difference between the two dates as 89 instead of 90. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.